Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raja Sita Octaviana. NIM 2003010074. Studi Program Indonesia Language and Literature Education. Access English. Liter Miss Hanifah. What is Department of Indonesian Language Education? For approximately 4 years, it has the Indonesian Language Education Study Program PBSI, or Indonesia Literature. You will learn the ins and outs related to the Indonesian language in the Education Department for approximately 4 years. Both the Indonesian Language Education Study Program PBSI or Indonesia Literature, you will learn the ins and outs of. What is the Indonesian Language Education Department like in this department? You will be taught for a speak of language skill such as writing, reading, listening, and speaking. Can we write and speak? Don't get me wrong. The fact is that the course is not as easy as its name. Study Indonesian language major is not just learning. This is Budi Fatar. Indonesia Literature and PBSI, both you will get the correct way to pronounce sound, structure and grammar, how small cheerleader can produce sound, implicit meaning in a text, and many other interesting the reason for study the Indonesia Language Education Department. If asked why did you choose that major? Three are so many reasons. What is clear is that three are many fields that will be study Indonesian language education first go international. The Indonesian Language Department has the opportunity to go international too. If your English is fluent, you can become a tutor or teach Indonesia in overseas schools such as Australia. Of course, you also have to have an into Indonesia culture as a support can lot of skill. Don't get me wrong, study in this department. You will be taught first language skill. You will learn first language skill for writing, reading, listening, and listening. 3. The Indonesian language and it is the nation. Yup, Indonesia is the national language asset in proclaiming independence and becoming the language that unifies the nation. It can, beside the with Indonesia three world, be not doctor, professor, Indian, word because Indonesia is a medium for delivering knowledge. What does Indonesia Language Education Department study? It is certain that what is learning is all things relating to language and literature and language skill. 3. Or 4. A speak of language skill, namely listening, speaking, writing, and reading. Can we write and thought, hey, the reality is not as easy as hurting it. The forecast the whose hope to speak right, listening, and word well and effectively. In the first semester, you will be trained how to speak properly and correctly in public, how to speak on why and twice. You will also be taught how to listening to the first speak of language skill. Later, you will also study linguistics such as morphology, syntax, semantics, sociologistic, phonology, and many more. For those of you who like analytic linguistics is a funny thing. It can be said that linguistics is the skin of language, or will be taught how a language is obtained or is pronounced word formation. Syntax grammar, the meaning of the language behind wording and other phonetics. Also, you will learn about a person's language style in a language, both spoken and written. For example, just by attention to the language style of a teacher at school. It must be different right on the practice time. This will be studied in the study subject. Like many languages, you will also explore language so that not only in Indonesia will be learned, but foreign languages such as Arabic and English and Creole, Czech, Japanese, or Czech will also be taught. Why? Because the Indonesian language takes a lot from Indian language and Czech language. For example, the word Arab, which comes from Arabic, is the opposite in Indonesia. Role play the most exciting thing about this department is that you will be taught how to role play and word drama, speak, taught how to solve it, oral and badly expressing, sex video searches, and ever take a spectacular performance. Through the drama perform, it will des many decades for solidarity to testing basic in because the education system is not like it was during school. Spill it if you course little major or delegate study in an department, a student is required to be more delicate in reading. This is because the education system is not like it was during school. Especially if you course little major much dedication is very important to support the smooth running of study in this department. Three or so many benefits that will be obtained from the discount much discount is very important to support the smooth running of study in this department. Three or so many benefits that will be obtained for the education. Sekian, terima kasih. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.